like it. It's a good move.
Keep going. More tactical before. Duck and roll, go to the body, punish him. Punish him. Punish him, go to the body. He's not defending, go to the body. That's it. There you go. Go on, Morris, you're in the floor. Fuck him up. Get his legs even, get his legs, beat him in the body. You alright? Beat him in the body, get him in the body. That's nice. Okay. Fritz, go back on and move out, get your range. This is great, yes, keep going. Keep it working.
Keep it working, boys.
Go on, put a little bit of something into it, come on. The fight's gotta stop, someone's gotta call it off, come on. Put something in there, get his body. Hit him in the body harder, he's not a pussy. He's not a pussy, get him in the body, Morris. Do the same back to him, Fritz. Hit him in the body, here, he's so open. Whack! Hit him in the head, Morris, hit him in the head. Fritz, hit him in the head. His head's so open, hit him in the head. It's not that bad.
This is like.
It's okay. Thank you, brother. You looking good too.
I'm not used to holding hands like this.
Let's go, baby. Yeah, I'm just trying to see what like blood. Everything. So good. One provider is different. Talk about some this shit masculine. Oh shit. Shit.